Well, it's June 28th, and I planted these from store-bought potatoes the same day I planted or tried to grow the potato chip challenge. And when I was on the other side, I saw that one was pretty much done for, so I figured, oh, I can come and dig them all up. Well, I don't think so. They are on the other side of the fig cage, so I really can't see over here that easily. I ate the 2 figs that were ripe, and oh, were they delicious. I just have to wait for the rest of them. So let's at least dig that one and see what's going on. And since they're in a permaculture bed, that is about 2 feet high, I can't get in there to dig. Oh, it still has lots of pretty growth, but I'm just too curious. I don't think I can reach over to pull the plant out. Let's see, what do we have here? Something's coming up. A clump of very dry dirt. And a little potato. I think I better flood it over here. I did just the other day, and they were all wilted. Well, there's the seed potato. Nice and solid still. Maybe I should stick it back in. One potato, 2 potato. Very, very, very dry. I am so sorry. Let's just put you back in and cover you back up and water you really well. And then take these 2 in. Not going to dig the rest today. Going to water them really well again. June 28th. I planted this on Valentine's Day, the same day that I planted the potato challenge. And I think it's died back enough that I can dig it up. That's if I can even lift it. I think it got up to 4 feet tall, not counting the pot. So let's give it a go. Okay, we just pull this out. Well, it's got taters. Would you believe I flooded this thing every time I watered? And look how dry it is. That's what happens when you live in a desert. Okay, this was just 1 potatoes. I left all the... gotta get those potatoes out of there. Left all the sprouts on there. The chits. I didn't take it down to just 1. So let's see if I can lift that up and dump it. Oh good, you're not that heavy. But I'm going to need 2 hands to lift it. Is that the old potato skin? Might be the old potato. That's the old potato skin. Look at, I got some really good sized taters. I may plant them over here from now on. Ooh, look at all the goodies down there that she's going after. And I see a tater. That's the one that rolled out. Excuse me, excuse me. And see, I only have a hole 3 inches up from the bottom. Oh, I forgot to throw that in there. Old sheet. There's one. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, that's hard. Yeah, I don't think there's any more in here. That's probably the old potato. The original. Man, that stuff is hard. I think I'll grow them there from now on and just water them a whole lot more. Man, this stuff is hard. There's no potatoes down here. I'm just having fun breaking it up. Taking out all my anger issues on dried dirt. Yeah, there's no more. So let's see, what did we get? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 17. So 17 taters. And I would say 3 were of decent size. And a greenie. And I found that if I put these in my little egg steamer, they cook up beautifully. I have one of those that steams your eggs, 7 of them at a time. Well, that's my February 14th potato reveal. It wasn't from a chit, it was from a whole potato. Oh dear. Don't let anything bloom. If it does, it loses its flavor. And I like caprese salad. So 17 potatoes from one big potato. I will be planting them there from now on and watering even more. Whoops, found number 18. It was still in the pot. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. And I found 5 more itty bitty ones. And I was sifting it out. Throwing it all into the compost pile. So, was it 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 potatoes? 24 potatoes? I lost count. I was wondering, does anybody know, can you start another batch of potatoes in Zone 10B, which is actually the desert? We did get 1/10 of an inch of rain last week, and the previous rain was in February. So we got 1 in February, and that was 2/10. And yes, this last one was 1/10. And our water bills are sky high, and they haven't quite told us we had to ration yet. But, you know, that's what's next. So, does anybody know, can I start potatoes again?